And now, without further ado, I want to let you guys, I want to get Mr. Reggie on stage, who's going to present to you a local UAE-grown Layer 1 protocol called Gather Network. Let's go, Reggie.
Great introduction. How's everyone doing today? Yeah, come on, make some noise. It's a Friday night. What's going on? First off, hats off to the organizers, Crypto Oasis, to bring everyone together. I'm sure everyone's having a good time, drinks, Friday. So, not going to keep you too long. Talk about what Gather is here to do. We've been in UAE for about 4 years. The founders were homegrown, lived here our whole lives. Back when Sheikh Zayed Road was one road. If you've been here a while, you know Thunderbolt and all those places. Without further ado, I want to ask a quick question before I start. Does anyone know how many nodes Ethereum has active to this date? Throw a number out there. Higher. 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 300,000 nodes. Does anyone know what a node actually does? This is what validates and updates the blockchain, those immutable transactions. It's the core of decentralization, right? So the more nodes you have, the more decentralized your protocol is. 300,000 might sound like a lot, but it really isn't. And that's what Gather is aiming to solve, is by having a lot more decentralization and more nodes. Solana, 20,000 nodes. The cost of each node on Solana is roughly $3,000 to buy, let alone run, right? Our Layer 1 protocol started out as a fork of Ethereum. It is secured by what's known as web mining. You go to a website that has Gather enabled, and the website owner is basically using their users to secure our blockchain. In return, they get paid in Gather tokens, an alternative form of monetization. A very simple-ass explanation for you all, right? We're a Layer 1 ecosystem. We have live dApps in our ecosystem. We've been around for about 2 years, listed on multiple exchanges. You can use it for NFTs, smart contracts, any of the basic stuff, right? Don't look at the token price, because like any other small cap, it's in the shitter. What are we focusing on right now? Where are we going? We're a Layer 1 protocol that's live. We have people building on us. We have dApps live with us. We're attracting new projects to build with us. We provide grants. We provide man hours. We help people, help Web 2 come into Web 3. We're working about 12 different companies right now, from racing, from, let's call it cash companies, to various different companies coming on the blockchain. Content companies, they have different use cases, and they're all utilizing Gather to do it. Thank you. So, what does the ecosystem currently exist of, right? So we have a bridge that's cross-bridge with BSC, ETH, our own L1, et cetera, and a bunch of other things. You know, we have a live governance mechanism as well. People come, they create proposals to talk to, change things. We want to lower the block rewards. We want more APY. We want more rewards for LP, XYZ. Smart wallets that exist for L1. And yeah. P.S. If anyone here is into airdrops, Gnosis just announced an airdrop yesterday. So if you have a multi-sig there, there's a lot of tokens coming out. Do check it out. We have our own DEX being built as well. That's the first DEX that will enable limit orders, trailing stop orders, leverage, and a few other things along with a stablecoin. It's being built by a very accomplished team. If anyone is familiar with Korean Jew trading or the trading dojo, they're from there. So this is how the Layer 1 is updated, or the blockchain gets updated, right? A user or website owner installs our script. The user opts in, they provide their consent, their CPU power is then being used to update the blockchain. By doing this, we're able to add nodes at high scale to our blockchain. We're able to achieve true decentralization. And let me explain why that's so important. Anyone, if you guys are actually in crypto here, you would know what happened with Tornado Cash. They got shut down so quickly. But when you're truly decentralized, you can't be shut down. That's what we're aiming for, right? If you're a publisher, a content provider, and would like to earn an alternative form of monetization, just scan that QR code. It'll be up later as well. This is Liberty DEX. Trailing stops, limit orders, leverage, a bunch of other features, stablecoins, all built on our L1 as well. Again, by a very accomplished team. Keep an eye out for this, because there will be an airdrop coming up for this. Everyone loves airdrops and free money. Our current APYs, if you're looking to deposit any kind of LP, etc., this is what you can earn. It's not the best, but it's not too high. And yeah, if you want, this is just basically how the community interacts with us. It's one single page. You're staking, LPs, proposals, etc. Just go there, and you can interact with the community. This is fairly simple with any kind of governance protocol. Some people use what's known as on-chain governance. We do not follow on-chain governance because there have been attacks. We use 2 layers. The community creates a proposal, then it goes to what's known as the foundation. The foundation then awards or disapproves the proposal. Enterprise, this is our focus, biggest focus right now. Currently, Gather has a $1.2 million development contract where we earn approximately post-development $250,000 a month from the ongoing usage of that contract. It's for a cash business based in the US. It's involved with the California tax authorities as well. This will be ported to the Indian tax authorities as well, so we'll be one of the first companies working with the Indian tax authorities using blockchain. And we have a bunch of other enterprise contracts with the whole aim of just bringing them to our L1. Again, going to keep it short and sweet because I know everyone wants to enjoy themselves, but thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please.